to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime. Please close your eyes. So I'll allow that settle in for a while, after which I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. I like this because it gives this glow from within. I'll massage it into her skin. I'm going to go in my Melanin Nails in Rose Gold for somebody like her. That's a shade. I'm going to. I'm using the brow set for now. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I love it when my clients have a little bit of glow from within. Maybelline Super Stay 30 hours wear. I love this Maybelline. See, I'm using it to the last con. Please open my bag. So for foundation, just little. If you don't allow after spraying the face, if you don't allow the concealer to set in, and just be giving you some nice like it's doing. For in makeup, you need to blend till everything is. I'm using different sides of the beauty blender. First of all, you blend the lighter highlights, then you go to the darker one. So you can actually use your lipstick as your blush. You use a MAC lipstick as a blush to set the under eye. I'm going to go in with the powder. Physical. Just putting some lip balm on our lips. I'll be using the Laura Mercier in translucent. On the forehead. See this sculpting on the nose. Joy! Hooray! I'm using the brow set from now. Just want to throw a bit of light on the eyes. Open your eyes, see? Okay, close. Are you feeling yourself, baby?
Oh yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Oh, shade?
Wow.